You can't protect a system you don't understand. That's why, in cybersecurity, knowing how networks and the internet work is step one in defending them. Let's break it down. Networks are just groups of devices, computers, phones, routers, all connected to share information. And the internet? That's the biggest network of them all. A global web connecting everything from your laptop to satellites in space. But how does all this magic actually work? Every device gets its own IP address, kind of like a digital home address, so information knows exactly where to go. Then there's DNS, the internet's phone book. When you type a website like google.com, DNS turns that name into an IP address your computer can use. Now to move your data, we use HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP is the basic protocol for sending data, but HTTPS adds a layer of security, encrypting your info so outsiders can't snoop. Routers act as traffic cops, directing packets of data between different networks, while switches handle the local connections inside your home or office. And firewalls? They're the security guards, letting good traffic in and keeping the bad stuff out. So what actually happens when you visit a website? You type in a URL, DNS figures out where that site lives, your browser sends a request to its server, the server responds with the web page, and voila, it shows up on your screen. Sounds simple, but every one of these steps is a spot hackers might target. As a cybersecurity analyst, my job is to watch for anything weird, like a sudden burst of data heading to an unfamiliar IP address at 3 a.m. Tools like Wireshark let me dig deep, capturing and analyzing every message or login attempt so nothing slips by unseen. Here's the big takeaway: networks move data, and hackers ride that movement. If I master the basics, IP addresses, DNS, HTTP and HTTPS, routers and firewalls, I can spot trouble before it becomes a real threat. Traffic analysis isn't just a technical skill, it's my superpower. The more I understand how data flows, the faster I can respond to intrusions and keep systems safe. Ready for the next step? Now that you know how data travels, it's time to learn exactly what we're protecting. In Module 4, I'll dive into the CIA triad, the foundation of all cybersecurity. See you there.